I got a water heater. It's from direct energy. The water heater tank does not heat up at all, and I tried troubleshooting it. Here is a switch. You can turn it off, turn it to pilot, or turn it on. And here, this striker can ignite the spark. That will ignite the natural gas. And here, this knob is for temperature control. This is for pilot. And you can adjust it to high or low temperatures after your successful ignition. So how to start a pilot light? Pilot light can be started by turning this knob to pilot here, and then you press this button and press this button. See? Press the striker and the pilot light will be on. Then you keep on pressing this button for 1 minute. Then release it. The pilot light should stay on. But for this water heater, it has a problem. The pilot light does not stay on. What happened is probably the thermocouple has problem. You can buy a thermocouple from Home Depot and replace it. It's very easy. Just unscrew here and replace this part. Alright, hopefully this will help you how to troubleshoot a water heater in the future if you need it. Thank you for watching.